new normal means it is not for one day. It could be in this 1 month, 6 months, until 1 year, or we don't know yet where we will be normal like long before.
Masha.
The thing that we need to do in new normal is, for example, using the mask, and then keep the distance, not too close, and then clean your hand many times. I guess that the three things that we need to do many times all the day. First, keep the distance, not too far, not too close, and then use the mask and clean our hand. That's the most important thing we do in new normal. I guess we cannot really do new normal because we do things just like usual, but we need to do new normal because new normal is better than stay at home all the time, I guess. We need to do our activity just like if there are many accidents in the road, it doesn't mean the car factory need to be stopped, and then the motorcycle factory need to be stopped, and then everyone should not buy the car, the motorcycle, and then nobody can go outside from their house. It doesn't mean like that. What we need to do is that we should use our motorcycle or any vehicle that we use it in a good way, don't for a race in the road. Another example is that airplane. Have you ever heard airplane crash? But why they don't close the airport? Why they still open the airport? It means that although it is have damage or give bad impact, but there is still impact by open the airplane. Using the airplane is still give benefit. So the same happen to new normal. Although new normal is not normal, but it is better than stay at home all the time.
All right.
One question. Distances one to another, also other things. But how about if never implement this rule? You know, like for example, like some states before that, if South Korea has organized the normal situation like school or the other countries, but that's the coronavirus has changed. What do you think?
But the coronavirus, it is something that not one person responsibility to fight the coronavirus. So it is very wise if everybody take their part. Just like we have 5 fingers in our hand, it is impossible we can do many things with just 1 finger. So imagine that we live together and we are just like a hand. So what we need to take our part. So if you think your part is just use the mask, you need to use the mask. But if you have a bigger part, let's say giving or donating money for making the vaccine for the
Antivirus.
coronavirus, so you can do that. Everybody has their part. Let's say the scholar, their part is to give a good speech to the society that everything will be okay. So after the hardness, it will be solution. Every hardness there is a solution. So, but the one who in university they will give a good lecture about the situation, what they can do and what they cannot do. So everybody makes their part to do their job. It is impossible for one person only to take responsible for this coronavirus. So everybody should take their part. The smallest thing is you keep yourself, and then by doing that, at the same time you keep other life.
Right, new question.